Before a mortgage file reaches a lender, much happens behind the scenes. Documents need to be collected. Application details need to be checked. Income evidence, liabilities, assets, ID, servicing figures, and supporting documents all need to line up. For many broker teams, pre-submission review is repetitive, time-consuming, and easy to miss when a file is moving quickly. This is where LAAVA's File Review Tool is designed to help. LAAVA is an AI-powered loan file operations platform built for mortgage brokers, processors, and virtual assistant teams. It does not replace broker judgment. It does not make credit decisions. And it does not approve or decline loans. Instead, it helps broker teams organize case packages, identify missing or inconsistent documents, and prepare a clearer file for human review before lender submission. The workflow starts with a prepared case package. A broker or support team member selects the lender and product, then uploads one zip file containing the borrower's application documents. The selected product matters because it tells LAAVA which checklist and review logic should be applied. Once the package is uploaded, LAAVA begins reviewing the contents. First, it helps organize the document package. Files are classified into practical broker review categories such as forms, ID, income, assets, liabilities, and supporting documents. This gives the next reviewer a cleaner structure than unclear file names and mixed attachments. LAAVA also checks whether key documents can be read properly. It can identify whether a PDF has a readable text layer, whether a document appears scanned, or whether the file needs manual review because it cannot be read reliably. This matters because unreadable documents can slow down review and create gaps before submission. LAAVA can also flag technical document signals, such as editing software metadata, active content indicators, embedded file signals, or signs that a document may need closer human attention. These are not forensic conclusions. They're review prompts. The purpose is to help the broker know where to look more carefully before relying on the file. Next, LAAVA reviews application information where it is readable. It can extract details such as applicants, broker information, loan amount, product, security address, and contact information. It can then compare those details against servicing calculators, income evidence, loan statements, and supporting forms. This helps surface obvious mismatches early. For example, if loan amounts, security addresses, or income evidence do not line up, LAAVA can highlight those issues for broker review. For income evidence, LAAVA can assist with checks across payslips, salary credit statements, employment letters, financial statements, tax returns, notices of assessment, rental evidence, and servicing calculator comparisons. The goal is not to make a lending decision. The goal is to help the broker see whether the evidence package is complete, consistent, and ready for proper human review. LAAVA also supports liability and asset review, including loan statements, counsel rates, contracts of sale, bank statements, rental documents, and other supporting evidence. Where readable, it can check whether names, addresses, statement periods, and key details appear consistent with the application. If something is missing, unclear, or inconsistent, it is surfaced as a review item. Once the review is complete, the broker can open the case workspace. The dashboard shows case status, version history, review result, and package details. If the result package is ready, the broker can download the reviewed zip. The checklist shows submitted, missing, and not applicable requirements. One of the most useful outputs is the Submission Readiness Memo. LAAVA summarizes the file in practical language, not raw logs or long file paths. The memo can include an executive summary, borrower overview, income position, broker review focus, and required manual actions. This helps the broker or processor understand what needs attention next. The memo may show the package is ready for review, while income evidence still needs follow-up. It may also highlight whether the application, servicing calculator, and refinance evidence are readable and cross-checkable. LAAVA can also create a View-Only Missing Documents link for outstanding checklist items. Borrowers cannot access broker packages or internal notes. The link is for follow-up only. For broker teams working with processors or virtual assistants, this structure can be especially useful. The team can work from the same checklist, the same package structure, and the same review memo. That means fewer scattered notes, fewer unclear follow-ups, and a cleaner process before submission. LAAVA does not give credit advice, approve loans, certify documents, or replace broker, licensee, or lender obligations. Final responsibility remains human. Thank you for watching. Register at laava.com.au.